What's up, YouTube? Today, I know, before this video even starts, I know I got a haircut. Pretty nice? Good job. Yeah, I know, right? Okay, so today we're gonna be exploding this pineapple. Now, you might be thinking, why would I be exploding a pineapple? I don't know. It just seemed fun with rubber bands.
It's amazing.
And it is amazing. And today here I have my roommate. And yes, I do have a roommate. He's right here. So, amazing. So, we're gonna be exploding this pineapple. If it explodes with rubber bands, I don't know. There's at least like more than 200 rubber bands here. So, I don't know. Let's get started. Okay. So, we're gonna be moving the rubber bands. So let's go half this side again. And let me just tell you, some of these rubber bands are from pranking my sister. If you didn't see that, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Now, I think we just start at it. So we're gonna do it together. Are you ready? Okay. So no, we're gonna be taking these rubber bands. No, like one at a time. So here, take that side. No, take one. So that we don't. Okay. So take that side. Take that side. And we're gonna put it around it. All right. First one on. All right. There we go. Oh. Now, okay. This isn't working too much because this is on. So I'm gonna get a knife and see what happens. So I got the knife and see if I can just cut.
Wait.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Mr. Pineapple.
Oh.
Ah!
Be careful.
You know what? It's not doing anything. It's useless. So we're gonna just keep putting on. Alright, start. Okay, so the only thing I'm scared of is that if it explodes, the sharp, like these sharp parts might go into my eye. I might become blind, you know. Alright, so we really didn't need to cut it. My mom just came and just twisted it off like. So, continue. Okay, now let me tell you something. We were gonna do a watermelon, but that's just gonna go crazy right there. Now, a pineapple is squishier, more squishier than a watermelon. A watermelon has like more stronger places, but like stronger layers. But you know what? Let's just see what the pineapple can do. Why not? Okay, I'm also concerned if the pineapple will go everywhere. I'm not sure, but I'm scared that it might go everywhere. So just keep going. Stop. This pineapple is already like covered with rubber bands. There's at least like 100 rubber bands here already. Let's just keep going. Okay, nothing is coming out, but let me just show you. It expanded a little, like it's going in, so I don't know what's happening. No juices are coming out, like it's like a little ball of, it's basically a pineapple covered in rubber bands. Let's keep going. Nothing is really happening now. I mean, we've been putting on for like now 10 minutes or more. No, like 15 minutes probably now. and nothing's happening. Making an impact. Oh,
Yeah, the other way.
yeah. You made a sound. Alright, keep going. Don't ask them why did you decide to choose a pineapple. Well, cause I just decided to, okay?
Do you like the pineapple?
I do not like the pineapple. So, what if I...
What?
I didn't mean to drop it. Oh,
What? What?
oh,
What?
there's a little bit of juice.
Yeah.
There's juice. I don't know if you can see that, but there's juice coming out.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're making an
Pineapple's
impact. We're making an impact.
Okay.
Yes, come on.
Whoa.
Look.
Ah.
There's
Yes,
juice.
yes.
There's a lot of juice. I just drank the juice.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want some?
Okay.
Yeah.
Mmm.
I don't really like pineapple, but let's keep going. Whoa. Whoa. What's happening? Whoa!
Give us
I heard something.
the pineapple is moving.
Pineapple is moving. Wait. No, it's not moving.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Sometimes.
Sometimes it moves. If pineapples can walk, that would be the best thing ever.
Whoa.
Alright,
Okay.
no. Oh, yeah, there's like a whole lot of juice already.
Yeah.
The whole table's gonna smell like pineapple, but that's okay. Can you see that? Probably can't. Let me just give you a close-up. Look how much that's dripping. Alright, let's keep going. The reason why I'm fast forwarding it is because this is taking way too long. If you were here, we've been putting this on for like 20 minutes already,
Wow.
and all that's coming out is juice. But that's okay, let's just keep going. You know what? I found this napkin on the floor and I'm guessing I'll clean some juice out with this. You know what? This was useless. Why did I do this? There's no point in cleaning it with a useless napkin. Whatever, keep going. Aquí tengo un poco, déjame.
Oh.
What? Oh! Oh! Oh!
Whoa!
Oh! Whoa!
Almost. Oh.
That was amazing!
Yeah.
Whoa!
The pineapple
Whoa.
is go where
The pineapple just exploded. And guess what?
Whoa.
Now we have a giant rubber band ball.
Very cool.
There's like 300 rubber bands here.
Wow. Look
Okay, let me
this.
just show you the pineapple.
Wow.
I don't know, he just put his head in there and he just heard something. That's what the pineapple used to look like. Now it's like that.
Oh
My
my God.
gosh.
¿Cómo se dice casi muere?
We almost died.
We almost died.
Yeah, we did almost die.
Because
His head was so close to it, like you don't know how close it was. It was like right here, and then it just exploded.
Yeah.
Oh.
Estaba yendo algo y entonces.
Well, now we have a rubber band ball, and it bounces around. So thank you guys for watching this video. Big thanks to my roommate right here that has the rubber band ball, for making this video with me. We're gonna have fun with the rubber band ball. That was amazing. I want to see my reaction. I want to see his reaction. So I don't know. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, give it a like if you liked it, of course. Try this. If you want, try this at home. Just don't get your face too close, or else you might die. So have this rubber band ball. I missed totally. But again, thank you for watching, and that'll be it. Alright, bye.
Bye.